Hello everyone and welcome back. In this lecture, we're discussing what is Git. The official website for Git is git-scm.com. Here you can read more about Git. Git is a free and open source distributed version control system. Free and open source means that you can see all the code behind Git. It's being continually improved and developed over time by developers in the community. So if you wanted to, you could suggest an improvement or an update to Git. It is a version control system, so it helps to track versions of your project over time. And Git is very popular, used from small to large projects. As a software developer, regardless of the type of development, you need to know Git. And luckily, Git is easy to learn and they have a lot of documentation. Some of the advantages of Git and some of the features, for example, branching and merging. Git allows you to have multiple local branches with different versions of your project. So you can have version 1 and then have a separate version, perhaps with a new feature, and then you could merge the two versions together when you're happy with them. Git is fast. With Git, operations are performed locally on your computer, so there's a high speed advantage. You can see all of the statistics on the official Git website. Git is also distributed. Instead of doing a checkout of your current code, you do a clone of an entire repository. There are multiple backups, so you won't lose your code. You can use any workflow with Git because it has a distributed nature and a branching system. As well, there is data assurance. The data model that Git uses ensures the cryptographic integrity of your project, so you can get the exact bits that you put in. Also, as long as you make a change, you can't change the history, so you can assure that your data won't be tampered with. Git has a staging area or an index where commits can be formatted and reviewed before completion. So before you submit your update to your code or update to your project, you can put it in a temporary holding area and then you can finally submit it when you're ready. Git is free and open source, so it is a free software. Right, so that is the official web page for Git. Again, you can read more about it at git-scm.com/about. Join me coming up next. We'll talk about how to install Git. If you liked this video, then go to training.mammothinteractive.com. We have tons more content on blockchain, web development, machine learning, and much more. We also have a membership for just $19 a month where you can get access to our 372 course bundle and counting.